Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve another problem on linear regression. Okay, so we are given to fit a straight line trend by method of least square from the following data and find the trend values. So trend line means the regression line. Actually it is used in place of regression line only. So we can interchange these two words. And trend values, we will see how we will calculate the trend values and after we calculate the regression line. So first we will assume that the line will be a form in this general form, that is y is equal to ax plus b. So this is the general form of the line which we will be tracing out for the given data, right? So in this particular method which we are supposed to do, we are given that we will need to use least square method. So for least square method we have this particular formula for a, which is the intercept, and b, which is the slope of the given line, right? So for the intercept, the formula is summation y into summation of x square minus summation x into summation of xy by n, which is the number of data points. So here in this case 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 data points are given, so n is equal to 5. Now using least square method we have these two formulas, and similarly in b we have n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y by n into summation x square minus summation of x whole square. You can remember these two by a basic trick that both of them have the same denominators. In the a part we have summation y into summation x squared minus summation x into summation xy, whereas in b we have n times summation xy minus summation x into summation y. So now what we will do is just put the values given to us in the tabular form. So here we will see like this. So here it is the x value which we are given in the question, and here is the y value. So for simplifying the linear regression model which we will be building, I have reduced the year which we are given in the question, like this is the year and this is the sales in lakhs of rupees. So I have just subtracted 1957 from all of these years, and it is 9. Okay, so 1958 minus 1957 is 1. Similarly we will do it for all the years, and the value, that is the output variable, remains the same. Similarly we will now square it, since we will be requiring summation x square, so we will be squaring x dash, and here we get, and then we also calculate x dot y, which is the product of this two, right? We will evaluate these two here, and then we will apply the summation. So we calculate the sum of all these columns. I have not calculated this particular column because it is not required in the problem, right? So we have just calculated the sum of all these, and after that we will just put in the put it into the formula for a, intercept, and for b, which is the slope. So if we put 460 into 55, which is summation of x square minus 15 into 1480 minus n, which is 5 here, into summation of x squared minus summation of x whole squared. Similarly for the y we have, for the b we have 5 into 1480 minus 15 into 460 minus 5 into 55 minus 15 square, just as we just saw in the formula above. So I've just put in the value which we have got here. So by calculating we get a is equal to 62 and b is equal to 10. So we put it into the formula which we first assumed. So we get y is equal to 62 plus 10x. Now we will calculate the trend values. So trend values are nothing but just put the existing values of x which you got in the question, that is 1958 to 1962, into the model which we trained, that is a plus bx. So in this we will put that, and then we will find 1958 to 1962, but remember that we need to put it in the modified format because we have trained the model using the modified x. So we will put modified x, that is x dash, into the equation. So it is y is equal to a plus bx. So this is a and this is b and this is x. So similarly we will get 62 plus 10 into 1, that is 72, 62 plus 10 into 2, that is 82, and similarly all the values. So these are the trend values which we are asked in the question. So thank you for watching.